Hey, what's up, you guys? If you're looking to work from home part-time or full-time, making some extra cash on the side, or you just want to, start your own business online, this is definitely a good way to do so. I'll go ahead and log into my PayPal, show you guys some proof that you can make money from home. Okay, so if you see right here, this is how much money I've made so far. Okay, in the past week and a half or two. Alright, $2,747. This is my account. We'll go up here. You can see my name right here. Alright. Also, look at today's date. 4/6/2017, April 6th. It's 12:39 p.m. Okay. We go to payments received. You'll be able to see all the the transactions and things like that I get on a daily basis. It's all kinds of transactions.
Here we go.
All right, all kinds of transactions every day. And I should show you this is all marked. All right. So I'm getting transactions every day. We go back up here. Okay, we go to charts and graphs. 30 days, in the past 30 days, you guys can see that. Alright, I've made $4,502. Let's see if I can make that a little bigger for you. $4,502.27 past 30 days. Okay? So with that being said, you can work from home, you can make money online fast, and it's legit, okay? If you want to find out what I do, you want to know more, all the information is in the description below this video, or you can just go to my website, which is partnerwithjeremy.net, okay? I do multiple companies, MCA, email processing, I do Forex, and I also do instant rewards. The company that I'm on now that I showed you the income is email processing. Process emails, get paid. Very simple to do. You actually process the emails with my company. You actually will process emails and get paid for it. Once you go to email processing, you click on that. You'll actually go here. Okay, this is my website. Scroll through it, look at whatever information you need to look at. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Join the $25, the $50, or the $100. I recommend the $100 because you're going to get more bang for your buck with the $100 program. What you will get is a website duplicate of mine. You will get a capture page in order to capture the leads. And you will also get benefits as well as discounts on prescriptions and things like that, and a lot of other things. Okay, so if you're interested in working from home, you can definitely do so. You can join my team. Email me if you have any questions. All my information is in the description below. Feel free to text me on that number below, and we can get you started immediately to making some money. Okay, we have all the training you need.